Here's how to check if your router is using 20 MHz or 80 MHz width. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to the settings of your phone and go to Wi-Fi or network connection and go ahead and click on the I button so that you can see the information on the network that you're currently connected with. The next thing that you're going to do is to copy the router or configuration number and go to Safari, Google, and Chrome and paste the configuration number so that you will be able to see the TP-Link website for it. Now what you need to do is to put on the username of your network as well as the password and go to the width settings. Once you're already on the width settings, you will see that the channel width options and you will see there what width does your network actually supports. As for me, it supports 20, 40, and 80 MHz. So among the three can be supported. Now you can go ahead and customize which channel width is your network is going to support.